Today I'm going to be reviewing GPTCamp's walking sticks, trekking poles, whatever you want to call them. I'd like to thank them for sending these to me to review. These are really cool. I had another set that I bought my son a while ago. He loved it just for, going out regular hiking, but you can take this in all sorts of different weather and terrains. So let me show you exactly how this works. It does come with a little case there. It comes with different tips, and I'll put a picture up there for what they all do for different ground types. EVA foam grips right here, very comfortable. They attach, so you can see right here, it is very collapsible, just over 10 ounces. All you have to do is release that right there. All right, and then it kind of falls into here. And then once it's in, you can see that you can adjust the heights here like this, and it gives you the different heights. And then you can also adjust one more right here. So this will work best for people from 4'4" all the way up to 6'4". Very lightweight and stronger than carbon fiber, which is exactly what you want with something like this. Not only is it a great brand, this is an Amazon choice. I love to see that. 4.5 stars, 499 reviews. Last month, over 1,000 of these were sold. They come in a couple different colors, so check that out. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.